Here we have the 2015 Forest River Vibe. Here we see the powered jack. No more cranking. Full-size retractable awning. Storage down below up front on both sides accessible. More storage in the back. Full-size spare. This trailer is equipped with one slide, very large, as you see right here. So let's take a look inside. As you see a look inside, got storage up above, premium leather sofas, dining for four. Now both the dining and the seating area turn to sleeping areas. The tables fold down, and the sofa folds down flat. Here we have the full-size kitchen with a lot of storage. Full sink with dual wells. Oven with 3-burner stovetop, ventilation, and microwave. The freezer and the fridge. With storage on both sides. Dual full-size recliners. Sphere flat screen TV with all the connections. Premium audio sound up above. Here we have the master bathroom. Full-size sink with medicine cabinet. Storage down below. As well as the stand-up showers, full size. With skylight. And storage here on both sides. And storage here on the side with dual cabinets. Here we have the master bedroom. Mirrored storage on both sides.